Okay, so let's talk about Twitter and how to be able to search the Twitter platform. When you first come to Twitter, this is the page you're going to see. The first thing you're going to want to do, of course, just like with Facebook, is go ahead and create that account for your searches. So you're simply going to click on the right top button that says sign up. And today you're just going to put in your full name, a phone number, and a password and click sign up. That's really it. It's quite simplistic. Go ahead and do that and let's jump on into the next part. Okay, so let's talk about the Twitter environment if you haven't been here before. So here's the layout. It's going to come to your page. How many tweets you have, so that means how many times you're making comments, how many people you're following, and how many followers are following you. Down below is trends, so these are tweets that are on the trend. The hashtag followed by a topic is what's going on, and it might also mention who's promoting it. But these are trends that are going on out there. The middle section about what's happening is simply where you would do your tweet with your hashtags, and we're not going to get into all your hashtags, but for example, we could say we are having fun, and then we can look for anybody else saying that as well. So that's what you're doing there. You can upload media. You can check in at your location or run a poll. Down below are your tweets by the individual sending it out, who the comment is from the individual, and you can hover it like we just did and see their information as well. You can simply click on follow if you want to be able to follow that individual. So as you go through, this is just that. So if you want to be able to click on who the individual is, you can come in and you can click on their information and see all about them. Here we've got Anthony. He's a deputy secretary, formerly worked for the president. Here's some information about him. He's from Washington, D.C. Here's a URL, the date he joined. Here's how you send a tweet to him, any followers you might know, and here's your photos, etc. So with that being said, let's talk about a couple other functions within the Twitter platform.